I'm very well. How about you? What are you doing?
Finger paint?
Mm-hmm. Do you like it?
Yeah.
That's
Go
good.
check out my other ones.
Your other pictures that you made?
Yep.
Sure. Where are they?
Follow me.
Well, that's nice. And that's nice. And what's next to your picture?
Pizza dough?
Pizza dough.
Pizza.
Good job.
Would you like to keep on going?
On my picture?
In your video.
Oh, yeah, the video is still going.
So, do you want to see mine? Caterpillar?
I love it. I love it.
Want me to put it so you can see it, right?
Here, I'll just come this way.
Look, I'm staying over there. Look, look.
Wow, that's very nice. I like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How many times did you do this in school?
One.
One? Once?
Yeah.
One time.
Would you like to stick your finger in it?
Sure. Should I finish my picture?
You mean the video?
No. I gotta shut it off so I don't get it on my phone.
Well, just stick your baby finger in and put the phone down. Okay? Use that hand. Stick it in. Then put it on paper. Put it on your paper. See?
Very nice.
Isn't it gooey?
It is gooey. All right. I'm gonna.
Want to see me do it?
Yeah. Gooey.
Really is.
Yeah, it's fun though, huh?